Let's understand this. Rule 30 and lights for anchored and aground vessels.
A vessel at anchor should exhibit an all-round white light at forward and another all-round white light at a lower level at stern. If the length of the anchored vessel is less than 50 meters, or 164 feet, then instead of 2 lights, 1 all-round white light is sufficient. If the length of the vessel is more than 100 meters, or 328 feet, then in addition to the 2 anchor lights, it should illuminate the deck with working lights. Vessels of lesser length may do so if required. Vessels less than 7 meters, or 23 feet in length, need not show the anchor lights if they are out of narrow channels or fairways, or away from other vessels. A vessel at anchor in daytime, regardless of her length, shall show 1 black ball where it can be seen best. When a vessel is aground, then in addition to the anchor lights for its length, it should show 2 all-round red lights in a vertical line from where it can best be seen. During daytime, the lights are replaced by 3 black balls in a vertical line. A vessel of less than 12 meters, or 39.4 feet, if aground, need not show the lights.